Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and combining the core flavors. 1/4 cup mustard with 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoon vinegar, and 2 tablespoon neutral oil. Use a bowl and whisk right away. This starts the emulsification. You do this because honey provides sweetness and mustard stabilizes the emulsion. Vinegar adds brightness while oil carries flavor. Whisk briskly for 30–45 seconds until smooth. Once the base is uniform, taste for balance. Make sure to correct sweetness or acidity before moving to texture. You now refine texture and flavor. Whisk vigorously in a circular motion. This traps tiny oil droplets, making a stable, glossy sauce. Alternatively, pulse in a small blender for 5–10 seconds. Once done, evaluate sweetness and acidity. Add 1/2 tsp vinegar or lemon if it tastes flat, or 1/2 tsp honey if too tart. For a creamier body, fold in 1 tsp mayo or plain yogurt. Make sure to add adjustments incrementally, tasting between changes so you don't overshoot balance. You finish by chilling the sauce 15–30 minutes so flavors meld and the emulsion firms. Transfer to an airtight jar and label with date. It keeps up to 7 days in the fridge. Once ready to serve, shake or whisk briefly. If separation occurs, don't panic. Re-emulsify by adding 1 tsp mustard or 1 tsp warm water, then whisk or blitz for 10–15 seconds. This rebinds oil and liquids. Make sure to taste and adjust salt or acid after re-emulsifying for final balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.